Hi, welcome back to our channel, Cooking for Hashimoto, where I share gluten-free recipes that I've made for my wife who's navigating Hashimoto's disease. Today we're gonna make one of her favorite side dishes, garlic roasted mashed potatoes. We're gonna start by cutting the potatoes, and before roasting them, I like to use red potatoes. We're gonna cut them in half. You can also use Yukon Gold, you can use any potato that you prefer. Now we're going to put a little bit of olive oil. And salt. And we're going to transfer them to a tray and roast them. I like to put them facing up so they form a little crust on the top, and that crust is delicious when you roast them, when you make the mashed potatoes. Now we're going to put them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. While the potatoes are roasting in the oven, we're going to cut 4 garlic cloves, and then we're going to mix them with heavy cream and butter. So when the potatoes are ready, we actually can blend all the ingredients together. We're gonna mince this garlic very fine. Now we're gonna combine a cup of heavy cream, the garlic from before, 1 stick of butter. And we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of salt to the mix. And we're gonna mix that until it blends together.
Did you know potatoes have a lot of thyroid supporting nutrients that we need, like potassium, vitamin C and B, iron, magnesium, and iodine? Unfortunately, potatoes are in the nightshade family, so if you have a nightshade intolerance, these might not be the best for you right now.
Now we're going to transfer them to a bowl. I'm going to put a bit of thyme. And we're going to enjoy it. If you want to see more gluten-free recipes, remember to hit that subscribe button below.